Welcome to the Monroe Workshop. Are you interested in providing a safer vehicle for your customer and growing your business? By simply applying the techniques we cover in this video, you can achieve both these outcomes. Did you know that industry averages show shock absorbers are replaced on 8 out of every 100 cars inspected? Sadly, however, many workshop averages are much lower than this, resulting in customers' vehicles not being as safe as they could be and a missed opportunity for business growth. In this video, we're going to look at how your business can create opportunity by following 3 simple steps. These are: use the 5 inspection methods at every service, educate your customer on the importance of shock absorbers, choosing the right product. Why do shock absorbers need to be replaced? Shock absorbers are critical for vehicle safety, providing steering control, reduced emergency stopping distances, and to help maximise tyre life. Your customers often only notice their shocks are worn by the time something goes wrong. In fact, one worn shock absorber can increase your emergency braking distance at 50 kilometres an hour by up to 2 metres and significantly increase vehicle tyre wear. When coupled with a reduction in driving control, worn shocks will cost your customer in the long term. Here are the methods used to identify the need for replacement shocks or struts. Many workshops only look for leaking shock absorbers, but this doesn't mean your inspection for shock absorber wear should stop there. Here are 5 industry recommended methods that all workshops should carry out during each inspection. Firstly, do a visual inspection for leaks, damage or abnormal tyre wear. The second priority is a vehicle ride test. A quick drive allows you to notice any noises, steering, stopping or stability issues, indicating that the shock absorbers may not be in a satisfactory condition. Number 3 is the simple bounce test. With unworn shocks, the vehicle's movement should stop between 1 and 1.5 oscillations. This is a quick and easy test to determine if there's any obvious issues. Number 4 is often overlooked. We all know moving parts wear, right? The number of kilometres a vehicle has done is a surefire way to alert to possible performance issues. It would surprise many people that each shock activates 5,000 to 8,000 times per kilometre on average. This means most shock absorbers have done between 400 to 600 million cycles by the time they reach the recommended 80,000 kilometre replacement interval. Finally, in order to speed up the diagnosis of worn shock absorbers using these previous common mechanical methods, some workshops invest in electronic suspension testers. How to educate your customer and achieve a sale. Without using these 5 methods for shock absorber inspection, your business could be risking sending customers away without the safest vehicle. Not to mention turning away tens of thousands of dollars of shock absorber supply and fitment business. So how do you convert this opportunity into a sale? Always report the condition of the shock absorbers to your customers and inform them on the importance and function of shock absorbers. This helps raise customer awareness and understanding of vehicle safety. We have even set up our Monroe brochure as a sales aid so that you can run your customer through the key points in regards to shock absorber replacement. Explain to the customer the importance of the safety triangle, where brakes, tyres and shocks are all vital for safe motoring. The function of a shock absorber is to keep the tyres in contact with the road. If the shock absorbers aren't working effectively, then the performance of the brakes and tyres can be compromised. Customers can sometimes be surprised by the cost of replacing all 4 shock absorbers, and affordability may be a factor. Many workshops assist their customers by recommending the front shocks be given priority and replaced first, due to the braking forces and load they are subjected to daily. It can then be recommended that they replace the rear shocks at their next service. Why choose Monroe? At Monroe, we have over 100 years experience of engineering one of the world's most durable shock absorber brands. Monroe is one of the industry leaders when it comes to coverage, including the ever-growing Euro segment. From listening to the trade, we know that consumers are most concerned about product durability and are willing to pay more for quality products when it comes to parts replacement. After all, your business has been built on your reputation for providing a quality service and products to your clients. You can't afford not to recommend one of the world's most durable shock absorbers to your customers. So, let's recap. If you want to provide a safer vehicle for your customer and to grow your business, then follow the 5 steps for correct shock absorber inspection at every service. Remember, the industry average shows shock absorbers are replaced on 8 out of every 100 cars inspected. Secondly, educate your customers on how critical shocks are by referring to the safety triangle. Don't forget, by using Monroe, you have the peace of mind knowing that you are fitting one of the most durable shocks on the market. Monroe represents the best value for money for you and your customers.